arrived in our room in on the boat in Ushuaia. That's my dad over there. I've been on 5 flights in the past 8 days. I went from LA to Tampa, and then from Orlando to Atlanta, then Atlanta to Santiago, then Santiago to Buenos Aires, and then Buenos Aires to Ushuaia, which is where I am now. So I am very tired, but I'm also very excited. Hopefully we have some time to go out like downtown. Like, we've got a balcony, sorry. We got a balcony and you can see downtown Ushuaia over there. Very small town, but they're apparently very famous for their king crab here. My dad grew up in a fishing town, so he loves seafood. So if we have time, we want to try to check it out. But yeah, off to Antarctica, like, soon. To go out on the boats to go see the penguins, and they gave us these cool parkas that we get to take back home with us, which I will not use in LA, and also I don't know how I'm going to fit this in my suitcase. I'm cosplaying on a boat. I think we just made land, but there's like the, some of the South Shetland Islands. I'm gonna go take some photos up on the deck, but yeah, Dottore and Chesnaya. I'm back in my room now after I took some photos out on the deck, and it is a gorgeous day outside. So anyway, so yeah, there's definitely a bunch of people like out on the top deck right now enjoying the sunshine, and I definitely caught a few weird stares, and I wish I could— that's my dad. I wish I could say I've done crazier stuff for cosplay, but I really haven't. Oh, then back to hall mat. Sometimes having formerly professional athletes for parents is kind of a pain in the ass. Because now I'm all the way up on a mountain. I don't know how high. I'm about to have an asthma attack. And my dad's still just gunning for it. Oh, I'm ready to pass out. I don't want to give up. Because I'm crazy, I threw on my cosplay again because we are like right up against the icebergs today. Unfortunately, the weather was not as nice. As you can see in these photos, it is super windy. But we kind of made it work. If anything, I can do try to do some composition magic and Photoshop these icebergs into the background of my photos from yesterday. But either way, I got cosplay photos in Antarctica, and that's pretty cool.
left side in the sense of navigation. You can see a bottom forecast, very easy to recognize with tall dorsal fin. have the entire faculty there, very close to the ship.
Just doing a little GoPro test to make sure it still works after being out in the rain and the hail, but it looks like we're still doing okay, so ski resorts, they always have hot tubs. I'm like, well, I can see the appeal of going in a hot tub in the snow. The idea of having to run in and out of the hot tub in the icy cold always kind of turned me off from it. But here I am going into the hot tub outdoors in the Antarctic. I don't know if it's just because the air outside is cold, but I'm trying to get into the hot tub and I feel like I'm boiling like a lobster. It's hot as hell. Also, it's really not that cold outside. It's really sunny. I got my feet in. So, an attempt is being made. Oh god. Alright, here it goes. Oh, it's hot. There's my dad. Oh, I decided not to go out on the afternoon expedition today because I got very cold and wet, and I think my pants are still wet, and I just don't want to deal with that. So I'm gonna sit in the hot tub, chill in the room. I'm gonna play some Final Fantasy on my Switch, and we still got like 2 more days of this stuff, so I'm just gonna try to get some rest and try again tomorrow. I said I wasn't gonna come out in the afternoon, but it really is very warm today. It's about 34 degrees and very sunny. not too much to see today. We're just gonna take a hike around this island. A lot of fresh snow. We're gonna hike all the way up there and then come back down. And then get picked up all the way over there.